Want to make money online? What if I told you that you can earn $1,000 per month by running a viral motivation channel without even showing your face? We will use ChatGPT to generate engaging motivational scripts. Next, we use Leonardo AI to create stunning motion videos that bring your script to life. Finally, we use CapCut for adding realistic voiceovers and smooth editing. Writing a script is crucial for creating engaging videos, as it helps structure the content effectively and ensures clarity in storytelling. To streamline this process, we will use ChatGPT to generate a well-crafted script along with scene descriptions, ensuring a smooth flow and engaging narrative. Once the script is ready, we will transfer it to Google Docs for easy editing, collaboration, and final adjustments before production. Now we will use Leonardo AI to generate stunning motion images and videos, transforming our script into visually compelling content. The key to achieving the best results lies in crafting the right prompt. Small tweaks can make a huge difference in quality and realism. I'll guide you step by step through the entire process, ensuring you don't miss any important details. Whether you're aiming for cinematic visuals, engaging animations, or realistic AI-generated scenes, Leonardo AI can bring your ideas to life. Stay patient, experiment with different prompts, and push your creativity beyond limits. With the right approach and persistence, you can create content that truly captivates your audience and enhances your storytelling. Let's dive in and make something amazing. Now, I will use CapCut.com to generate high-quality voiceovers for free, giving our video a professional and engaging touch. We'll take the exact script generated by ChatGPT and paste it into CapCut's text-to-speech tool, ensuring a smooth and natural narration. With a variety of voice options and customization features, we can fine-tune the tone, speed, and style to match the mood of our content perfectly. A good voiceover adds depth and clarity, making the video more immersive and impactful. Let's make sure our audio complements the visuals seamlessly for a polished final product. Now, let's dive into the final step, editing our video in CapCut from start to finish. First, we'll import all the materials we've created so far, including the script, AI-generated visuals, voiceovers, and background music. Organizing these assets properly from the beginning will make the editing process smoother and more efficient. Once everything is in place, we'll start with basic splitting, which is a crucial step in refining our video. Splitting allows us to remove any unnecessary parts, cut long sections into digestible clips, and precisely time our visuals with the narration. This ensures a seamless flow and keeps viewers engaged without any awkward pauses or disruptions. After splitting, we'll move on to enhancing the video with effects, transitions, and animations. Adding smooth transitions between scenes helps maintain a natural flow, while effects and animations can make the video more dynamic and visually appealing. Next, we'll fine-tune our voiceovers, ensuring they match the video timing perfectly. If needed, we can generate additional speech segments to fill in gaps and create a more immersive experience. Music will play a key role in setting the mood, so we'll carefully choose a soundtrack that complements the content without overpowering the narration. Once all the elements are in place, we'll do a final review, making any necessary adjustments to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. Watching the completed video from start to finish will help us catch any inconsistencies and refine the details for a professional quality result. With patience and creativity, we'll transform our raw materials into a polished, engaging video ready to captivate our audience. Now, let's bring everything together and see the final masterpiece. Life is short, but it's long enough to become the person you were meant to be. Every second you spend doubting yourself is a second stolen from your dreams. Stop waiting for the right time. There is no perfect moment. The only thing that matters is what you do right now. You have a fire inside you, a purpose, a dream that refuses to be silenced. But dreams don't work unless you do. You don't need permission to start. You don't need validation. The only approval you need is from the person staring back at you in the mirror. Pain, it's temporary. Failure, it's a lesson. Fear, it's an illusion. The only thing real is your effort, your discipline, your hunger to win. Everyone wants success, but few are willing to put in the work. The ones who do, they rise, they conquer, they become unstoppable. So wake up with a mindset that screams, nothing can break me. Push harder, move faster, believe deeper. Because one day the world will look at you and say, that's the person who refused to quit. And when that moment comes, you'll realize you were unstoppable all along.